Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I am your host James, and today we are going to be doing basically it's an unboxing, a quick one-over, slight review of a new air fryer. These things have been getting sent to several different YouTube channels to kind of check out and review. So a company called Weesta sent this air fryer to me. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox it, see what it comes with, and give it a quick one-over. Now, they also sent me a link for a discount. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description below. I believe it's either between 10 and 20% off. And the air fryer itself is not that expensive either. I think last time I looked, it was around $100 for the air fryer. But yeah, we're gonna take it out of the box and take a look at it. Now, go ahead and subscribe to the channel because if you do end up purchasing this, I'm going to be doing a lot of cooks, and so you can follow along on those cooks as well, and see how to do different things. I'm going to be doing from chuck roasts and casserole dishes and chicken wings, and all kinds of stuff. And it's that time of year for air fryers. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Okay, so this is what you're going to expect. This is the box that it came in, and as far as I've seen on any other videos, this is the box that everybody else got as well. So this is what you're going to kind of see if you want to order one of these things. So that's all, just the box. What we're going to do is open it up and take it out and see what we got. I'm not going to take you through this whole process, but things, pretty good size. But here it is. Obviously it's in the box, but I'm going to go ahead and take it out, bring it out, and kind of show you what's inside. Let's see in a minute. Okay, so we've got it all unboxed, and as you can notice right off the bat, and I've had a lot of people ask me on my YouTube channel, I'm looking for something a little simpler as far as not all the electronic gadgets. I kind of like more of the old school type stuff. That's what this is, and I like it a lot too. So your temperature here, it's a knob. All of them are knobs. Function. It goes up to 450 degrees. Turn it to whatever you like. Same with your functions. You got bake, air fry, toast, air roast, and broil. Same thing, knob. Pick whatever you want. And the timer. I know you guys, I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah, that's an old school timer. Tick, 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 tick. And you gotta like it because you don't have to worry about the electronic components, going out. That's one thing people, have asked. And I really haven't or wasn't able to tell them what to get, but I mean, so far right off the bat I really like those really easy and simple functions. Next thing, what it comes with is you get an air fryer crisper basket, a rack, and this is non-stick. It's kind of the drip tray, and that just goes in the bottom just like that. And then on an air fry, we're gonna go ahead and stick that right on top of that, and then the air fryer crisper basket has these little notches right here, so when you set it on the grate, it doesn't come out. The whole thing comes out. You can put your whatever you want to cook in there. If you want to air fry, if you want to bake, you can put it right on that, or use that as well. Then it also comes with a handle, and the handle's for the air fryer crisper basket. If you wanted to pull it out like that, so that's super handy as well. And not much to it. It comes with a manual, some instructions. It does come with a warranty as well. There's a warranty card. You just got to fill that warranty card out, I believe, and send it back in. And then the other thing it has, because it's obviously a toaster oven as well, on the bottom here, I can get to it, but there it goes. At the bottom, it's pick it up here. You can pull it out for any of your crumbs or anything that comes out. You can pull that out and empty it into the garbage can or wherever you like to put it. So that's super easy as well. Now overall, just right off the bat, a super simple machine. Not much to it, and a lot of people like that. They don't want something super complex and electronic, where you got to press a bunch of buttons to do a bunch of things. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and turn it on and see how it sounds. Okay, so we got the air fryer, took it over to the countertop. Now it's not, I mean, it's a pretty good size, but it's not any bigger than some of your other air fryers. So it is a decent size, and it can they can fit a good amount of food. So first thing is we're going to open it up, and the dimensions. I have a tape measure here, and we measured, so it was 11.5 inches this way, 10 inches deep, or 10.5 inches deep, and 9 inches from top to bottom on the inside. So there's your dimensions. It is metal, so you know it might get a little hot on the outside. Actually, there was a thing that said it might get hot, so that's something as well. Now all we're going to do is go ahead and it's plugged in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to leave it on the air fry function. We're actually going to turn this thing up to 450 degrees. We're going to turn it on for 20 minutes. Actually, I did run it for about 15 minutes just to kind of get some of the residue and oil and stuff that was in there off. So I've already heard it run, and I'll tell you right now, this is probably got to be, out of all my air fryers I have, this has got to be the quietest air fryer that I have. So listen to it. It's very, very quiet. I do like that. And I actually put the temperature probe in there. It did get a little over 450 degrees, so this thing does put out really good heat as well. So you have no problem doing your wings or your French fries and tots and anything like that. Obviously, or you can, you can turn it down. So in a nutshell, that's what it is. Very simple. You got the racks, you got your tray, your heating elements on the top and the bottom, your crumb tray on the bottom, and again, what I do like is it's not electronic. It's just super simple to use. Knobs for your degrees, your function, and your time, and that's it. Also has the light inside, which, obviously I like the light as well. And the light and everything will keep running when you open it, so you'll have to turn that timer off if you want to turn that light off. But no, I like the light staying on anyway. So in a nutshell, that's kind of a quick one over and what we got with it. So I'll meet you up top and tell you what I think. Alright guys, so there it is in a nutshell, and I do want to thank Weesta for setting out the air fryer for me to check it out. Basically not for me, but for you guys, so you know whether to purchase this or not. Now, it was just an unboxing, so make sure to subscribe, because the following weeks I'm going to be doing major videos on this thing, give you a final wrap up here in a week or two after I do a lot of cooks, and give you the final rundown. But yeah, so far it looks super simple, easy to use, and the functions look legit and everything. But I'll let you know here after I do a lot of cooks on it, so make sure to subscribe. Also make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and also in the description below I'm going to leave a link. It's to my Amazon store and a code where you can actually get, I believe it was between 10 and 20% off of the air fryer. And I believe last time I looked on Amazon under my account, if you click on my link, I think it was like $99 for the air fryer. So Christmas coming up, we're talking about a good present if somebody's looking for an air fryer. So anyway, use that link and get that discount as well. But other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next cook/review.